mid-ride on Highway 53 in Minnesota. Figured I'd give you some background information on how I got into motorcycling. I was a big fan since I was little. I had a weird obsession with Terminator 2 with Arnold Schwarzenegger. And of course he rides a Harley in that movie. So I always wanted to get on a motorcycle. But my mom wouldn't let me. Sorry, Mom. So I kind of put a pin in it for the longest time. And then when the pandemic hit, I got really into moto vlogs on YouTube, including Blockhead, Her Two Wheels, Shade Tree Surgeon, and Shay Lisi, the Shade Tree Army. And then I just had to have a motorcycle. I just felt like it was meant to be. So fast forward 3 years from there, and I really wanted this Harley. I wanted to start on something that would be good for me, but not too small. I didn't want the 883. I didn't want to start that small. 1200 seemed like a good fit to last me for a while. And I was obsessed with the green on the tank for the 2021 Iron 1200. I was on the hunt looking for one, and here in Minnesota the pickings are pretty slim, so widened my search, and I found this exact bike at the House of Harley in Milwaukee. Got a trailer, drove about 500 miles to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and signed the paperwork, loaded it up on the trailer, and then went back through Minnesota to get home. All in all, it was about a 23-hour day driving, a little over 1,000 miles. But now Margot is mine. I put about 850 miles on in the fall because it took a while for the paperwork to get to me. But so 850 miles last riding season, and then had to suffer through the long Minnesota winter, and now I'm finally able to ride again. I finally got a lav mic hooked up to my GoPro, wired it into my helmet, so I figured I would share that story now that I can actually talk during my videos while I'm riding my bike. I am very curious to see how this sounds. You'll have to forgive my nasally voice, I'm a little bit sick. But I wasn't going to let that stop me from getting out today. Way too nice. If any riders from northern Minnesota see this video, let me know where you like to ride. About to hit 3,000 miles on this Sportster. Woo! I'm just over a third of those miles. Youngstown, Minnesota. Home of the Big Donut. Well, I'm going to continue the weave back home. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.